Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events stirring the markets. Javier?
The price of gold has gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC has shifted sharply into the positive area. The euro-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ROC has shifted sharply into the positive zone. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 1.4% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator shifted sharply into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is receding into negative territory.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 ended the past week in a position that may set up a recovery for anti-risk assets like the US dollar and Japanese yen. After the great rise in national crypto regulation in Estonia, the new European Union laws have forced the crypto industry to leave the country. Twitter apologizes for adding coronavirus fact-check labels to tweets that weren't misleading.
Thank you, Javier. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The UK current account will be released at 400 GMT, the UK GDP at 400 GMT, the Eurozone CPI at 700 GMT. The Canadian GDP at 10:30 GMT, the US Chicago PMI at 11:45 GMT, and the US API weekly crude oil stock at 18:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.